Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase there bringing the latest now Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news and reviews post the trending topics. I'm remind you know, but click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon and leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now viewers and subscribers, when you talk about dancehall pioneers of this day and age, we don't have to look no further than Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel is definitely an innovator viewers and subscribers. Which other dancehall artists we can say launched and produced their own reality TV show viewers and subscribers? Big up Spice. She is currently on a reality TV show based in North America, and she even won an award feat recently at the MTV Movie Awards. Big up yourself, mama, dancehall queen. But viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel are definitely first dancehall artists, so we see make moves like this. Visionary, definitely an innovator, viewers and subscribers. One of the first dancehall artists we even see make him own alcohol line. Yeah, him own liquor. As though them with that pronounce. Every time say no phone never know, so I say it pronounce. You don't feel like say me that pronounce it the other way. You can't why me. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is definitely an innovator. The different innovations that we see Vybz Kartel bring to dancehall music, to the dancehall genre, this will definitely be an aspect that Vybz Kartel is remembered for viewers and subscribers. We can point to other things as well. Skincare line. One of the first dancehall artists to create his own skincare line. And as a male artist, he is the only artist to create a skincare line, viewers and subscribers. Innovation. Definitely seen the influence him have in the streets. And definitely seen how him could have used that and market products, viewers and subscribers. Before Vybz Kartel and time the incarceration, even the clothing line did I get ready for jump out, you know. The Adi shoes them did make. The shirt them did brand and stamp up. Whole heap of different products did about to get roll out, viewers and subscribers. And don't feel like say it won't happen. It has just been put on somewhat of a pause for right now, viewers and subscribers. And when it comes to music, the innovation of Vybz Kartel bring to dancehall music itself, we have to talk about that as well. The musical prowess of Vybz Kartel, I don't see it matched by no other artist. I'm going to see the vision where Vybz Kartel have. I don't see it play out itself in another artist where currently they're on the road and can tour and can do as them like in the music scene right now. Vybz Kartel definitely have a different aim in mind. One of the strategies of Vybz Kartel, as I point out to viewers, is innovation. One of the ways to stay ahead of the curve in a business, music, in any arena, have to be innovative. Have to bring new ideas to the forefront of our go on. Remember, as an artist, if you bring fresh new music to the ears of the listeners, they will always be excited to hear where you're going to come with next. And Vybz Kartel has achieved that in our music. Improve himself over time. Say, no matter which topic Vybz Kartel choose to speak on, we know he's going to bring a level of entertainment to it. And he's going to put it together in a way where listeners can laugh, enjoy, and at the same time be inspired and educated. That's not easy to do. It's not easy to entertain somebody and at the same time give them something insightful. We do it on the vlog, so we can tell us that it's not easy. Because we keep it entertained but at the same time teach you something. It's a balancing act. And Vybz Kartel has definitely mastered that, viewers and subscribers. Certain things that we see Vybz Kartel do and master. Certain other artists don't even bother try it. I see a comment that say a thing say, yo, when you have so much flow, you don't even care if an artist use one. And that's a Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is not an artist who come out outright. He might say, and my style them I use, he might point to it. But other than that, Vybz Kartel is not an artist where I come out and I say, yo, my style I use, my style I use, my style I use. No. It must a point to a fact where everybody I talk about say, yo. You know, say most artists I use Vybz Kartel style. So the fact that him is an artist we're going to talk about current topics, it might point that out. But the teacher have so much style him they even need to really care if a next artist use one. And most of the style him bring in a dancehall music, would I say, is an innovation within itself. The mix of hip hop and dancehall, it might not new to your ears, but the way you master it, package it, and put it out to the audience, that within itself unique. That within itself is very unique, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? I could have gone on for days, but the different innovation where Vybz Kartel bring into the dancehall genre. But this is definitely one of the strategies where Vybz Kartel use in a dancehall music. When I say, when I say, I don't see no other artists and match that. Thought no man, which other artists you would have said and match Vybz Kartel in an innovation? The greatest thing is, as I say, most artists are learn from Vybz Kartel. So now, they're not afraid to push the envelope. You know what I mean? They're not that afraid now to incorporate different styles of music in a for them music. And I see Vybz Kartel drop a track recently. The streets not stop talking about it. People review it in about 20 different ways. Loving every minute. And at the same time, I can tell you say you have a next Vybz Kartel track about for drop with a different vibe to itself. I can't tell you the title of the track, but I can tell you the rhythm. It depends on the jamboree rhythm. Yeah, produced by the Fresh Ears. And you know when them man they drop rhythm, it have an international vibe within itself. So fans can definitely look forward to that. And that's what we are talking about in Vybz Kartel. Never being complacent. Always a drop new and new tracks. And that keep the fans with him no matter what the situation, viewers and subscribers. And it was just a good look, say him work ethic was that good. The fact say he was an artist so that stayed in the studio and make even 10 verse and even 5 songs. Because that is different. Remember you can record the verses, have them put out, stored. And then him still make 5 songs at the same time. So later on, as we see what going on with him now, producers, especially key producers, have a whole heap of verse from the teacher. So the work ethic did it. So even if we have to mix and master track what they already previously recorded, just to put it out there so the fans them have something them can go and hear and listen to and go and will have vibe to, we can choose to do that. And that a work ethic, innovation. Vybz Kartel are the first artist who start drop 5 songs a day. We don't know no other artists to do that, whether locally or internationally. We don't know no other artists to do that, viewers and subscribers. 5 songs a day. You ever see beside the scenes and see the production of a song? One song can take you all 3 weeks. You know? One song can take you all 3 weeks. One song can take you up to a month. You have songs that take longer than that. Remember, I put it out there and I want it to be a song where the people them love and react to. And Vybz Kartel make song in a 15 minutes where I tap the charts. That another nothing normal, viewers and subscribers. Just think about it. That within itself, another nothing normal. If you can freestyle a track in a 15 minutes, mix and master it in the next 30 minutes, done the whole song in an hour, put it out in the next 3 hours. Drive, go up the road and everybody are listening it. If you feel like that's a normal achievement, that within itself is a normal accomplishment, viewers and subscribers. And we have put that out there. So innovation are definitely one of the strategies that Vybz Kartel use to stay ahead of the curve. Yeah. Definitely one of the strategies where Vybz Kartel use to stay ahead of the curve, viewers and subscribers. While you drop in the comment section, I know how to feel about the reasoning. Leave a like on the vlog if you like what you hear. Comment in the comment section. We'll contain the reason in the comment section. I know what your thoughts on the latest reasoning I want to drop, viewers and subscribers. If you're new to the channel, Jaden Chase, I mean the host. What you need to do right now, click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon so you stay notified with all our go on. As soon as I chat them, the thing them pop up. And you can see what go on. You can put your 2 cents in a what go on. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can make your talk and we can continue reasoning. So you know the thing go. Vybz Kartel, definitely a dancehall pioneer, a dancehall innovator. The innovations where Vybz Kartel bring to dancehall genre and dancehall music has still not yet been duplicated. Yes, still has not been matched, viewers and subscribers. We just have to point it out. So live, love and prosper. I'm out.